Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. All right, beautiful new listing in Lunada Bay. I'm on a street called Via Romero. We're right next to Via Zumaya. And a short way up there is the Palos Verdes Intermediate School, used to be called Margate. We're at this home, 1017 Via Romero. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, around 2,500 feet with some bonus square footage. The lot a little over 8,200. So we have Spanish pavers here coming in, and then this little patio, which is really nice. And then it comes over this way. You can see nice backyard with grass. And that's awesome. And here we are stepping in the front door. We have distressed hardwood flooring. There's a kitchen right there. Bedroom here, but let's go into the living area first. So here they're using this as dining. We have all skim ceilings. Everything's gorgeous. You got ocean here. And then here's our living room. Very well done. Some ocean view out that way too. It's a nice double fireplace on either side. Palos Verdes stone. Beautiful hardwood flooring here. It's got that distressed look to it. And here we go, coming up into the front. Beautiful bath here. Tongue and groove, maple line. Gorgeous big shower. And this comes right on into the bedroom. There's 2 closets here. Downstairs we have 3 bedrooms. Skim ceilings, the LED lights. Oh, this is beautiful here. You got a downstairs rec room with a big fireplace. And that opens right to your yard. Nice big yard. And then so this area here is under the garage, not included in the square footage, an extra office area. It's a 3/4 bath. It's nice. There's still a little bit of room on the side here if you were going to do vegetables. So here's the laundry. Oh no, this is the bathroom. Beautiful. Nice big tub. And then laundry's got to be here because I saw laundry. Over here. There it is. An extra fridge too. Nice. Good laundry. And here's the other 2 rooms. That room's really bright. So here we are back in the dining room. You do get you can see Catalina there in the distance. Hard to tell, but it's out there. And then we still have some ocean through the windows here. So here's the dining room and coming on into the kitchen. This is our kitchen. So granite countertops, stove, so forth. Cupboards, this should be pantry. Yep. This is nice. It goes from here right on in. So that works. And here we go back to the front door. Nice spot. Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.